Good morning. It's 7:10. Hello. This guy became my new best friend last night. He's cute. I think he tried to give me pink eye. This is Di's home, and she lives here with her parents. And I think she went to get me rice, which is sweet. I'm just gonna put on my sunscreen and then eat. But yeah, this is a Thai home. Pretty interesting. Hello. Can't say that I slept well, being that I was on the floor, but the dogs were going crazy last night, but I did sleep, and that's good. What else? Are you gonna miss me? Yeah. Your itchy little self. Meow. Meow. What? Hi. How's it going? What do you want? Oh, there she is. Seven now. เจนะ อันนี้เผ็ด อันนี้ไม่เผ็ด อันนี้ไม่เผ็ดอ่ะเหนียวเผ็ดเผ็ด
Pen car, yeah.
โอเคไหม
Chinese. No, it's good.
ฮะ
Haven't tried this one. กินที่ไหน
กินนี่ก็ได้หรือว่ากินข้างนอกก็ได้ แล้วแต่ยูจะกินที่ไหน
ชื่นใจชื่นใจ
ฮะ อ๋อไม่เป็นไรชื่นใจไม่เอามานอนที่นี่ก่อนนั่งนึงไหมโอเค
told her I was going to pay, and she said no. So these people are too nice. This is the one I've had before. It's very spicy. This is the one that I saw in the store I have not tried. And I'm pretty sure I have not tried this one. She said it's not spicy. Banana City.
Hey guys, it's the evening. I am in a brick hotel room with clouds on the sky, watching cartoons. I didn't vlog much today. It was a rough day. I wanted to quit so bad, and even if I had made that decision, like there was no train station nearby, I would have still had to ride over 100 kilometers to get to a train station. I didn't sleep well last night, and after the long ride yesterday, my body was just done. It just did not want to do it anymore, and my head was going down with it, but for some reason I just kept pedaling and pushed it just as hard today. I did stop a lot to stay hydrated That was like my main goal today because the sun was really hot today and it was all flat, so it was pretty rough on my knees because there was no descents to give like my body a break, which was a bummer. But yeah, I'm now over 450 kilometers from Chiang Mai, and I'm around 300 something kilometers to Bangkok, which is exciting because I keep thinking like if I pushed it real hard I could get there in 2 days, but it'll probably be 3, which would make 8 days total, which is less than what I was planning, and this is all fingers crossed that nothing terrible happens, which is totally possible. I'm gonna make myself lighter about that. Great. Supposed to go get a massage in about 30 minutes, and I was just talking to Michael. I don't know why I was going to say his name in a Spanish accent. I was talking to Michael, who's done a lot of touring, and he was saying be careful with the massage because it might like release too much in your body or something. And today and sort of yesterday I've been feeling kind of like my throat hurts, and I think it might have something to do with my neck hurting from riding or just being dehydrated. I don't know. So now I'm a little worried about the massage, so I'm gonna have to tell them to go easy on it. But since I didn't do much vlogging today, I figured I would show you what I packed with me for my ride, because I feel like I did a pretty good job at keeping it really minimal because I don't have a touring bike, and so it can't really handle a whole bunch of weight, and I don't have all the panniers and racks and everything that people need. And the great thing about touring in Thailand, or probably Southeast Asia in general, is that the weather is really consistent. I know that when I tour in the States, I'm gonna have to pack multiple types of clothing for different climates. But here it's just the same all the way through the entire country, and I haven't had any rain yet, which is crazy. Let's get to showing what I packed. Bike shorts, 2 pairs. Cycling jerseys, 2 pairs. Hold on. So yeah, I was in the middle of filming the video and I don't understand Thai. That's what happened. And I thought the woman that worked here was gonna pick me up to go to the massage place at 7, and then when she didn't show, I just figured she forgot, but she brought someone to me and she was blind, and I got a massage out of it, so it was painful. They usually are, but yeah, let's finish this video, okay? Okay. Arm covers and 1 glove, because apparently I lost mine in the time it took me to put all my shit together. 1 pair of regular shorts, 1 regular tank top, 2 Under Armour shirts, 1 long sleeve shirt that has not been used, wet wipes, B12 supplement, shitty mosquito repellent, sunscreen, batteries for the light that I lost on the first day, a lighter, cream so I don't chafe, miscellaneous toiletries, bike shit, tools, chargers and memory cards and shit, tiger balm, because it's made with magic, sleeping bag, rope, massive piece of plastic that I have not used yet, and more rope, hammock, socks, 2 pairs, and my other glove, 2 sports bras, 2 pairs of undies, first aid shit, pepper spray, money and ID, clips that have yet to serve a purpose, goo, precious, precious goo, and this is the last one, sunglasses, iPhone, 2 bottles for water, bike lock, helmet, handlebar bag, lights, iPhone holder, panniers, bungee cord, frame bag. And that's literally everything I've brought with me. And that is the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!